Friend, hello. Through the utilization of the artificial intelligence application Stylar.AI, I am here to instruct you on how to regenerate one of your preferred drawings, paintings, or works of art. AI Artistry, Resurrecting Leyendecker's New Year's Baby Illustration Recreation Journey, is the title for today. The Saturday Evening Post's final cover illustration by Joseph Christian Leyendecker had a significant influence on me. This cover featured the illustrator's renowned New Year's baby, who braved the front lines while donning a diaper and a soldier's garrison headgear amidst the ongoing Second World War. As a result, I made the decision to reconstruct this artwork using an artificial intelligence platform such as Styler.AI. With their assistance, I proceeded to create a line illustration of the infant featured on the cover of the Saturday Evening Post. I enjoy demonstrating how we can regenerate outdated graphics and how they appear differently in the present day. Let us immediately begin examining how we might be able to create these works of art in 2024.